Abhi Celestial City is coming up with their phase 2 with a Scotland theme. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Abhi Celestial City phase 2, which is developed by Abhi Ventures, and this project is located in Gunjur, South Bangalore. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing on the main entrance of Abhi Celestial City. So this will be the main entrance of your project. And once you enter the marketing office on my left-hand side, and the land parcel starts from here itself, and even you can see the construction work in progress just in the background. So basically, this is the marketing office where you'll be getting all the information and details. Along with it, you can check out their model flat which is ready for y'all. Now, do you know what exactly Housey is? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. Abhi Celestial City is spread across 45 acres of grand land parcel. So basically, this is the part of phase 1 with 3 towers. Now they are launching with phase 2 with 14 towers, of each tower of 2 basement ground plus 35 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Varthur Sarjapur Road in Gunjur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and basically this is the main entrance of our project. And now about the road. So this is the Sarjapur Varthur Road, and this road over the side will connect you towards Varthur, and the opposite side road will take you towards Sarjapur. Now about the further connectivity and location part, so you can connect to Global Indian International School in 650 meters. Sarjapur Marathali Road is 2.3 kilometers away, and MET Mart is 3.2 kilometers from your location. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you world-class amenities like of, let me show you through this miniature. Here's your basketball court, kids play area, cricket ground, party lawn, swimming pool, landscape garden and many more. Now about the super built up area. So the project offers you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK homes, where 2 BHK is of 1180 square feet, 2.5 BHK is 1475 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1545 square feet goes up to 1755 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2000 square feet, and 4.5 BHKs of 2535 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and Abhi Celestial City is currently in pre-launch stage, and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Abhi Celestial City Phase 2 by Abhi Ventures, located in Gunjur, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.